Hi guys, this is the unpacking from the Ambiano dishwasher, tabletop dishwasher. It's quite nice, to be honest. This is quite small, but it's disappointing because the inlet, the water inlet, is not included. Now, generally it's not a big deal, but it doesn't say it anywhere. So if you want to kind of put it in and you don't have that stuff, then it's gonna cause you quite a bit of trouble. This rubber sleeve goes straight onto the underneath the sink, so that's a good solution. Of course you have the power lead, and then let me show it to you from the front. I've got it in a bed now because it's a bit not much space. Oh, I take everything back, guys. I take everything back. Here we go. The inlet is right here inside the machine, so just ignore what I said. The inlet is right here. I didn't open it before, as you can see, so that's fantastic. You've got the tray here. You've got the propeller. You have to assemble it, of course. Let me just pop it out. So this is the tray. This is the tray for the salt. You've got the propeller here. This is the filter, so you can clean the whole thing. And of course, washing powder, and Glanztrockner, whatever it's called, in that little funny liquid you have to put into the dishwasher to work. I give you the measurements in a minute, because that was a little bit of a letdown on the paper, on the carton, because on the box it didn't say how big it is, so I needed to take it out. So this is exactly where it's gonna go. I'm doing the plumbing at the moment, so that's it. That is the space where it's gonna go. So all I need to do is just change that trap here to a flat one, because my trap was very long, and this is now 46 centimeters, and the machine is, I think, 45 or 44, so it's gonna fit perfectly here. Obviously you have to have the power, and then I put in this T piece in here, which that goes to the tap, and this is gonna go for the washing machine, for the dishwasher, for the water inlet. So let me grab a measure tool, give you the measurements. So right, so if you watch this video, then you have the measurements, you don't need to worry about it. Now this is exactly 55, so 55 centimeters. Then the height is 40. Sorry, I'm holding the camera with one hand and trying to do the job with the other, which is a bit of a pain in the neck. Right, so this is 44, exactly 44, and then you have it here at 51. Right, so no, actually it's 50, so that's 50, that way is 55, and that way is 44. So this is what it is. I'm just angered to put it back, so I don't want to drag this video out, but everything here, nothing to be worried about. So this is actually quite nice. I had a spare in the garden anyway for that inlet, but the whole thing is here, though, nothing to worry about. So I hope you get some sort of information about sorry about the mess here, and please do like, share and comment. If you have any questions, I will be able to answer. So this is the machine from Aldi. Comes with the 3 years warranty.